What's up? I'm going to show you how to play Falling Down on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you will not need a capo and you're going to be in standard tuning. The chords you'll need are C, A minor, and E minor. C is open 3, 2, open 1, open. A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And E minor is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. It should sound like this. Starts on the B string, 1st fret, goes up to the 3rd fret, then open, that, then down to the G string, 2nd fret, back up to open B, back to 2nd fret G string, open G, and then 2 on the D string. So that slower is and that's it. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.